Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Zebronics Zeb-Crystal Pro web camera. We can see some Zebronics branding on the package on the top right. We can see an image of the product in the middle. We can see the Zeb-Crystal Pro branding on the top left. And at the bottom, we can see some of the salient features. The salient features include a USB interface, a built-in microphone, night vision, and a 3P or 3-element lens. Right at the bottom, we have the Zebronics website as well. On the right-hand side of the package, we can see some importing and manufacturing information. And at the bottom, we have some information and some contact details of the customer care. On the left-hand side of the package, we can see a barcode with the Zebronics web camera Zeb-Crystal Pro branding, and the same branding we can see on the top as well. There's nothing to see on the bottom. And on the back of the package, we can see some more detailed specifications of the product. High resolution webcam, built-in microphone, night vision, manual switch for the LEDs, USB interface, a CMOS image sensor, a 3-element high-quality lens, a maximum video resolution of 640 by 480p at 30 frames per second, a cable length of 1.2 meters. Here we can see the product dimensions. The width, the depth and height are 40.5 by 63.5 by 70.5 mm, and we can see the packaging dimensions, which are 85 by 65 by 97 mm. We can also see the net weight of the product, which is a measly 70 grams. Right at the bottom, we can see the package contents, which is basically just the camera. And even below that, we can see some recycling information. That is about it on the outside of the package. So let's get into the package now. Now that we have everything out of the box, let's see what we get. We get the webcam unit itself. It is black in color with a red front, and the lens is right in the middle. These 4 bulbs are the LED lights, and it has a clear plastic clip to mount onto display devices. The clip also has a soft foam finish to it at the bottom right here, so that it does not scratch up the display. We can see some Zebronics branding as well on the clip. On the back, we can see the switch that turns on or off the LED lights. The cord is 1.2 meters long and has a USB Type-A interface on one end. And there you have it. We are ready to stream with the Zebronics Zeb-Crystal Pro webcam. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.